Hello, I'm Sarah Ann. I'm going to take you through one of our Year 3 practices to demonstrate some of the key features of Smash Maths. Question 1 for all the year groups always start with mental calculation. This is to improve children's fluency and confidence with number, which then helps them complete more complex maths problems. As you can see here, I have got all the times table questions correct, so I have been rewarded with a GIF. We have had lots of lovely feedback on our GIFs from children. They enjoy being rewarded with a variety of GIFs as they work through the practices and are motivated to find some of our unique ones. I'm now going to show you what happens if a child gets a question wrong. As you can see here, if your child answers incorrectly, we have provided expert step-by-step written guidance. All the strategies that we model are aligned to the methods that are being taught at school and of course follow the national curriculum. I'm going to show you another example of our expert feedback, which demonstrates how we give important remember facts for your child to learn, but also include clear models and images such as the bar model shown here to really help children master what is being taught. Please note that for our younger learners in years 1, 2, 3 and 4, we have provided them with audio feedback too. We have not provided audio guidance for our older children in years 5 and 6, as it is best for them to work through the problem again on paper following the written steps. I'm going to continue now working through the rest of the practice. Notice how the topics cover all areas of the curriculum in this one spiral practice. Some questions will be based on the child's current year group learning, but other content will revisit content from the previous year group. Although some children might feel these previous content questions are not as challenging, it is important to remember that the spiral practice approach is essential for learning retention and ensures children do not forget skills previously taught. This is fundamental to our Smash Maths philosophy. Of course, children who are preparing for 7 plus and 11 plus will be exposed to curriculum content from the year above too, and questions will be aligned to these key assessments. But please be assured that all our practices for every child are carefully designed to systematically introduce new content whilst revisiting previous learning. At the end of the practice, your child will be asked to choose how they feel about their Smash Maths practice. Once they have chosen a face, it is essential that they click the Finish button so their feedback report gets sent immediately to your inbox. Finally, please note your child has up to 3 attempts on every practice, so please do encourage them to complete the practice again, even if they only get one wrong. The power of spiral practice is key to becoming a confident mathematician. If you have any questions, please do get in touch using our contact form on our website, and I will personally be back in touch.